Good morning class, I am Govind Vyas. Today we are going to discuss about question number 5 of exercise 10.1. Okay. So in this lecture what is given to us, there is a triangle named ABC in which again there are three medians AD, BE and CF. What we need to prove in this question? In this question we are going to prove this portion, this expression, 4 times of all the medians, right? 4 times of all the medians will be greater than third times of all the sides. See here, I have written that side all the medians and that side all the sides. Okay, so let's do this. How will we prove this? Let's see. Students, in the previous 2 lectures I again and again spoke about a particular theorem that sum of 2 sides of a triangle is greater than the third side, right? Sum of 2 sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. So by that theorem I will solve this question. See how. First you concentrate on a triangle whom I name triangle AGB. Triangle AGB. In triangle AGB, what? AG plus BG. AG plus BG. Their sum will be greater than AB. Sum will be greater than AB. Why? Because of the theorem. Because of the theorem. Sum of 2 sides of triangle is greater than the third side, right? Now multiply 3 upon 2 with the complete equation. 3 upon 2 AG, 3 upon 2 BG greater 3 upon 2 AB. And students, I will not write this again and again. We have so many times understood that what is 3 upon 2 AG. 3 upon 2 AG, it's AD. In so many questions we have done that. So again I will not write that here. Okay. So 3 upon 2 AG is always AD plus what is 3 upon 2 BG? 3 upon 2 BG, of course it's BE. BE, and this is same as it is 3 upon 2 AB, because this kind of rule is not for the sides, this is only for the medians, right? So take this as equation number 1. Okay, fine. Now second part, this triangle is done. Now we will use this triangle BGC. In triangle BGC, what can we say? Sum of both these sides will be greater than this side, BG plus CG. BG plus CG. This is greater than BC. Yes, again the method is same. Multiply by 3 upon 2. I will do it here. 3 upon 2 BG plus 3 upon 2 CG greater 3 upon 2 BC. And what will we get? 3 upon 2 BG is always BE. 3 upon 2 BG is BE. Plus 3 upon 2 CG is always CF. Greater it will be same 3 upon 2 BC. Give this name equation number 2. Now the third part, the similar manner we will solve the third part. See how will we do this. Yes, so the third triangle I have taken this and now this triangle AGC. In triangle AGC, what can we say? Sum of this and this, AG plus CG. AG plus CG. This is greater than AC. Right? Again, multiply by 3 upon 2. 3 upon 2 AG plus 3 upon 2 CG greater 3 upon 2 AC. I hope you understood this. Now what will we get? What is 3 upon 2 AG? It's AD. What is 3 upon 2 CG? It's CF. This is same. 3 upon 2 AC. Give this name equation number 3. Now students, what will you do? Now our answer is about to come. So we will add equation number 1, equation number 2 and equation number 3. Okay, so write the statement by adding equation number 1, 2 and 3. See, left portion will be added and right portion will be added. It means to say this and this, we will add them, and on the right side, sorry, I talked about this. In the right side, this one and this one, we will add them. Okay, so let's do this. I will have to erase this. Okay, fine. So by adding all the 3 equations, what will we get? The first portion was AD plus BE. AD plus BE. The second portion was BE plus CF. BE plus CF plus. The third portion was AD plus CF. AD plus CF. All the left portion has come, then sign of greater, then now it's turned to the right portion. What is right portion here? In equation 1, 3 upon 2 AB plus here 3 upon 2 BC plus here 3 upon 2 AC. Okay, solve this further. What will we get? See, AD plus AD, it's 2AD. 2AD. BE plus BE, it's 2BC. Sorry, it's 2BE. And then CF plus CF, it's 2CF. Greater, write this as it is. Or you can also take 3 upon 2 as common here. Okay, 3 upon 2 can be taken as common. So I will take 3 upon 2 as common. I will get 3 upon 2 and in bracket AB plus BC plus AC or CA, whatever. Okay? Oh, sorry, it's okay. We have write it here. Now we will solve it further. Two can be taken as common in this portion. What will we get in the bracket? AD plus BE plus CF greater 3 upon 2 AB plus BC plus AC, right? AC or CA, whatever you can write. See now, 2 is here of divide. When it will come here, it will be of multiply. So this 2, when it comes here, it will be multiplied with 2. So 2 and 2 will be 4, right? I have transferred this 2 here. So we will get 2 and in bracket AD plus BE plus CF greater, here is 3, AB plus BC plus AC or CA. So by this way we have proved what we were asked for. Clear? So this is the way you will solve the question. Still, if you are having any doubt, you can ask us again, or you can repeat the video, replay the video again. Okay, so like this channel, share and subscribe. Thank you.